Another quick mail call. Got a nice card from Dave. This is his sticker. Dave Collier Camping. All right, let's go stick Dave up on the wall. Find him a place. Let's see. Let's get him right here. Okay, there you go, Dave. I had Julia, the Adventure Geek in the UK, ask for some advice and information on a water filter and a cook set. She planned to do a little cooking on these what I call overnighters and weekend warrior type kits. So let's get on. After reviewing I was going to make it a private video, but after editing and looking at it, it can go out as a video that someone might be interested in. So let's start the video. And she had some qualms about what water filter. And Kevin is here, and the Sawyer filter is a wonderful filter. But I've recently moved over to this QuickDraw. And the reason I did is sealed up, whereas this one is not sealed up. And this one you can sleep with in your sleeping bag in the cold weather. And I don't think you'd be disappointed in it. See?
You're in a plastic bag to keep it.
Yeah, you have to put this one in a plastic bag if you're going to keep it from spilling out anything. But what I wanted to say was the redeeming quality about this QuickDraw is you can take this top off and squeeze some air through and check your filters if they were frozen or been compromised. That is the redeeming quality about the QuickDraw. I'm going to go over my cook set that I'm presently using. Now, this is my overnighter or my weekend warrior setup. If I'm on a trail more than a day, I'll go revert right back to my 550 or 750 titanium pot, boiling water and eating the dehydrated meals and oatmeal. But when I'm on a short hike, I'm with Kevin. This is New Year's Day.
An overnighter.
Yeah, happy New Year, by the way. But this, on an overnighter, and it's a short hike. This particular one is almost a park and pitch site, but it's nice. It's raining. In fact, it's a little bit of raining now. But I'm gonna go over my cook set, and that will include this frying pan. Is what she was interested in. You can't just have a frying pan. You're gonna have to have a pot. Now, over the years, it took me years to figure this one out. So I'm gonna save you some time. Originally, I don't know, I think I got maybe 6 to 8 frying pans in many pots, different sizes, but it actually boiled down to Dixie from Homemade Wanderlust. She used a Walmart Stanco grease pot.
Yeah, she did.
For her Triple Crown.
She's still using it. She loves that thing so much.
Well, you're cooking on raw aluminum, which is okay. But the size of the pot was the correct size. I finally ended up with the correct size pot, which would let you cook some sides as well as boiling water. And it was the right size for cooking ramen noodles or ramen noodles. But let me start with my pot. There's 2 pots that I will recommend for this weekend warrior, and they're generally about the size of that grease pot, which is the right size. Now this one, there's 2. This one is MSR, and it's
a nice pot,
a very nice pot, and it's ceramic pot, and that is the reason I've been using this one. Let me touch the back because my GoPro cut. Oh, okay. I guess I like to see myself.
Well, you can tell what you're doing.
Yeah, man. But it's easy to clean up. It's really I love this pot, really. But there is another pot that is equally I'm crazy about, and I may go back to it. This is a 1.3 liter, and it's just that little bit of liter. The other pot is the Cedar Summit Alpha pot, and I'll put a picture of it up here for you. And that's a 1.2 liter, and that is the exact size. That or this one, they pretty much the same pot. This is a little bit bigger, but and the only reason I'm using this is it's ceramic and it cleans up so easy. So this particular size will let you do side dishes like coors, mashed potatoes, you know, instant mashed potatoes and things like that. Now for the frying pan, now I've got I don't know, I think I got 6 to 8 frying pans, and they're all good frying pans. They're all expensive frying pans. Some of them are non-stick. Some of them think they're non-stick. Right?
They claim to be.
They claim to be non-stick.
They have the claim.
But the MSR they make this ceramic frying pan that I'm tempted to buy. The only thing is, I went through the sizing issues with these frying pans, and 8 inches is just a little bit too big. Now, if this is for one person setup, possibly 2. I'm cooking this morning with Kevin. We're gonna have some grits, and that's why this pot is so handy. Now, this is how many did I say? 12 centimeters frying pan here.
Was it 6 inch, 12 centimeters?
Yeah, about 6 inches, which is 12 centimeters. I think 12 centimeters. But this is non-stick, and it's not ceramic, but it's a non-stick, and it really is a non-stick, and this is about 3 years old. Mike P. Hiker.
That's pretty good. 3 years of
3
use.
years, and I use it every weekend. And Mike P. Hiker, he opened a Amazon Japan account, because they make some they make some quality gear. They really do. Anyway, he found this particular one here. I didn't think much of it. I didn't like this little silly handle on it, but he bought. It was $20. Of course, shop in Japan, you can shop in English, but the dollar amount is in yen. So what you have to do, like if it's 12,000 yen, you'll have to go to Google, type in 12,000 yen equals USD dollars. That's how you do it, and because the currency rate fluctuates, so you have to check it to make sure. But anyway, he bought one. He's got 2 of these. But anyway, so I told him next time he bought one, you know, to order me one. So he did, and it's really been excellent. Like I say, I wish it was ceramic, but this look, it's no, except up around the rim here, but it's held up for 3 years. And I cook eggs and bacon. It's just right for 2 eggs of bacon. It's just right. Now, what I do, as this was square, but I took a pair of scissors and made it round, because what I do is I put it in here when I store my gear. I don't want the pot to scratch the coating off.
Scratch that coating.
And then I put one of these cross bands around it. I'm trying to do it here, like so. See, like so. I didn't tell you the name of this frying pan. That's most important. Now, when we bought it from Japan, it was $19 3 years ago, and it wasn't sold on Amazon. Now, I'll put the name of it up here for you. It's called Captain Stag, S-T-A-G-G. I'll type it up here for you so you won't forget. And I'll also put a link down on Amazon, because now they're in Amazon. Amazon sells this particular.
Only twice the price, though.
Yeah, yeah, I was telling Kevin last night. Yeah, it went from $20 3 years ago. Now it's $40. But I would be hesitant to $40, but it has worked out for me. I must say it works. And the size is correct. Let's put it that way. About the 12 centimeters. I'm using centimeters. I went international, man.
Base 10 is easier anyway, but we use base 12, so
base 12 is that's what
we like to make things more difficult for ourselves.
Yeah, I used to think centimeters were bugs or something, but anyway, that's centipedes, right?
Yeah.
Well, anyway, about 6 inches for a single height, and you can cook, like I said, 2 eggs easy, and bacon and a sausage in it. So it's Captain Stag. All right, now that you've seen the video, this is going to be the ending. So we'll see you next week.